to give you an update, but yesterday we got to the resort at like 5, and then we got ready and we went to the beach and had dinner. And today's the next day, the 6th, and we were walking back to the hotel from breakfast, and then we're probably gonna head down to the beach. We're about to head down to the beach. Got my sunglasses. And then my swimsuit under. About to head down. My brother's watching Monster House. Josh. We're walking to the beach right now. Well, I am. Mom's videotaping some animal. Then I'll probably give you guys an update later. We'll see. But it's really hot outside. Today has the highest UV, so you best believe I'm going to be roasting in the sun. Guys, I literally have to walk through like a jungle. Like, I'm not even joking you right now. On this super long bridge to get to the beach. Guys, I'm walking back from the beach again. I met my mom there because she's still on the beach with my dad. And she took some sunset pictures of me on like the little dock or whatever. Hey guys, we're going to dinner right now. We're gonna go get Thai. There's like a fiesta going on. Hey guys, we got back from dinner and then I just changed into some comfy clothes, but we didn't end up eating or going to the Thai restaurant because it was already pretty late because we left kind of late. So there was like a live mariachi band, so we just got like the food that they like had there. It was pretty good. And we listened to the mariachi band and got some drinks. And now I think I'm gonna go to bed, so I'll be more energized for tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Hi guys, it's the next day and we're walking to breakfast right now. It's really rainy outside. Hey, so
we're going back to the room. Donuts, I'm breakfast.
We finished breakfast. I didn't film inside of like the breakfast place because it was really loud in there.
Very loud.
Yeah. Anyways, we're heading back. It's raining and
there's a hurricane near us.
Me and my parents have to do like a timeshare, so that's why we're going back.
Hi.
But you guys, apparently there's another hurricane. So one just passed before we flew here. It was like Hurricane Helene, and now there's another one.
Hurricane Jeremy.
No, it's Hurricane Milton, and it's going like right by where we are. Hey guys, me and my brother are going to the beach because my parents are still at the timeshare. I put blonde spray in his hair so he can become a true blonde.
I already am a true blonde.
Yeah, it's not raining anymore, so we're going to come down to the beach. Our parents are still at the timeshare, so they're probably just gonna meet us there. And it's not raining anymore, so hopefully Oh my gosh, it's so slippery.
Yeah.
Anyway, so I'll see you guys at the beach. Hey guys, we're back from the beach and I showered eating my donut from earlier. So I'll probably update you guys when we're going back to the beach to get drinks. My parents went to Walmart to get stuff, so we are still here. We got back from dinner like 15 minutes ago and I just changed into comfy clothes, but there's a storm outside and you guys look. Can you hear it? Good morning, guys. It's the next day. It's like 12, I don't even know.
Fire alarm because they're going on last night.
We're going to the beach right now. Our parents are still in the room. And it's like really windy and really stormy outside again.
Hurricane Milton went through us last night and the fire alarm kept going off.
Yeah. I'm walking back to our room from the beach. It was really stormy today, so we were mostly in the pool, but I still did get in the ocean. It was just really stormy, and really windy too. And now I'm walking back to the room. We're gonna shower, and then we'll probably end up going to dinner like at 7, maybe. So I'll see you guys back at the hotel room. Guys, it's Wednesday, and we're about to head to breakfast, and then we're gonna go to the beach today. I don't really know what else we're gonna do, but I'll update you guys. But yeah.
Open the door.
Hey guys, I just got back from the beach. I'm gonna hop in the shower. Hey guys, we're going down to the beach, and then at like 4 we're gonna go do the explore thing. and like the person who like cleans our room
Gloria.
has brought this. It's a little dessert, and then
She went all of her way to do
a
all
little. I don't even know, but like
this. It's the firecracker thing.
it's so sweet. And then last night my mom decorated the room. She had a banner and balloons, and then that. But oh my gosh, that is so
Gloria,
sweet.
bro.
Anyways, we're gonna shower and then we'll probably see you guys later. I just got changed and I'm heading down to the beach right now to take birthday Instagram pictures at sunset. Hey guys, I'm back from taking pictures. I got there just in time, like when the sun was setting, to take pictures, and now we're gonna get ready for dinner. Hi guys, I never updated you, but it's the next day and we're getting all packed up to go. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.